All right, I'm out here running whipsaw, and you know, it's some of the crazy things you don't really expect to see, but holy crap, on this. Check this out.
Overhead overspenders, that's a good one.
It is awesome. Where is it at? I just saw it right there. Four Boys RC. That's freaking cool. Yeah, I didn't get my speed run video out yet because I'm going to whipsaw. Yeah, so hopefully I'll get one out. I'm gonna do my speed run here. Got the app, car. I'm in open class. Yeah, I'm gonna do the run here. Got my cameraman that's gonna film me. Let me hit start. All right, and we're gonna go. Oh, that one doesn't count. Damn it. All right, even though I crashed on that one, I did 36. Not too bad. It's a bit squirrely. I'll see if I can get another pass on it. All right, one more pass. That's the car.
Yeah.
There's the app. There's the speed. All right, we're gonna do it again. Oh, press and record. There we go. Okay. Make sure it comes back. Spin track. All right, that's gonna be our run. Let's see where we're at. Stop. Read. 37 mile an hour. Not bad for a 10-tooth pinion. Yeah, I gotta get the adjustable motor plate. I think that's probably all I'm gonna get out of it. And it is squirrely. Woo, that was cool. All right, first casualty, cracked the rear hub. Wheel was shaking like crazy. Hopefully it'll hold. Super glue. We'll see.
You guys ready? Yep. Start race.
Okay. You want to race it? With us on track?
In your red line.
Oh no! Hey! Hey! It's comical.
Hey, listen.
So you red light at a 3.8. You won at a 3.2. A 3.8.
3.8. Oh, I think it's gonna break.
It's gonna break. Only one way to find out, Mike.
Yep. We shall see.
And Stu is not going to make this race, is he?
No.
So it's a solo run then.
Solo run. Okay.
Let's do it. I don't think it's going to survive, but let's do it. Nope. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. All right, we destroyed the car. Came down, flipped. And yeah, we're gonna need some more 3D printed parts. Crap.